Everyone, this is going to be the reading for Leo for the month of January 2020. So, this can apply if you're a Leo Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Mars, as well as North Node. So, be sure to check out the other readings in case this does not resonate with you. If you want to book a personal reading with me, you can drop me a message on Facebook. That's facebook.com/Venusianscorp. You can also drop me an email at astroluck111@gmail.com and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Both the links are in the description box below, so you can just drop me a message and contact me for a reading anytime. So let's get started. So we have a bunch of cards for you, Leo. Um, what I'm feeling overall is you've been through a lot over the last couple of months or maybe even years, because I do see the Ten of Swords here, and tens are about endings. So there has been probably a heartbreak or something major, like a major upheaval that happened in your life, because of which you've completely changed as a person. And I say that because I'm also getting the Hanged Man in this reading. So your perspective has changed in some way, whether that be your perspective towards love, towards your finances, towards your career, or just your general outlook towards life. I think it's undergone a massive change. I feel like you're not rushing through things too much because I'm getting the Knight of Swords in reverse. So, this change of perspective that you've had, Leo, has resulted in you kind of slowing things down. So, you're not rushing into things, you're not jumping into anything, you're taking your time to assess a situation before you go ahead with it. And one of the reasons I say this is also because I got the Four of Swords coming up in this reading. So you are in this spirit of contemplation. A lot of people may be trying to give you advice at this point, Leo, like, try to do this or do that, but you're really not taking into consideration any of their advice because your thinking is that if you can't step into their shoes and live their life, then you're not going to follow their advice, Leo. So you're very clear about what you want, or at least you're getting clear about what you want, and you're not letting things distract you so much. Now, I do see the Wheel of Fortune coming up, which is a really good card to have in a reading. So, good fortune and abundance is coming your way. I think blessings are coming your way, especially after all that you've been through in the past. There are new blessings coming your way, especially with the Ace of Cups and the Ace of Swords showing up in this reading. The Ace of Swords is showing up as a reversal, but I still count it because these are new beginnings, especially with the Wheel of Fortune. This signifies a new beginning, blessings coming your way, turning a new leaf, that sort of thing. The King of Pentacles is showing up in this reading. This is generally the card of Taurus. And Taurus, as we know, is very much about the second house, which has to do with your wealth, money, assets, your sense of self worth. What are your values in your life? So, this is very Venusian energy, but it's also very money minded in the sense, not in a materialistic sense, but you get your sense of security through money. So, I think a lot of you are focusing on your finances in the month of January and you're not letting distractions get in your way. Now, I do want to do a clarification on the Four of Swords that I got. What is this Four of Swords for Leo? So we've got Justice, we've got the Seven of Cups, and we've got the Queen of Pentacles as a clarifier. So I feel like a lot of you are probably reminiscing about the past. Like somebody may have done you wrong, somebody may have mistreated you, and you're kind of ruminating about the past in some way. But I'm here to tell you that justice is being done to those who wronged you. Like karma is being served, so you don't have to worry about it. And if somebody did you wrong, rest assured the universe is going to correct it and do justice eventually. So you don't have to really tie yourself up in other people's affairs. I think you're really focusing on your own life and what you want to do going forward. The Seven of Cups is also showing up in this reading. There are a lot of distractions for you, Leo. Like I said, there may be a lot of people trying to give you advice or trying to guide you as to what your next steps should be. But I feel like you're really slowing down right now and you're taking your time to consider your options. But there are a lot of distractions. And I think one of the pitfalls that can happen in the month of January is if you're not careful, Leo, you can run after something that looks good, that appears to be everything that you want, but is not the genuine deal. So I would be very careful if I were you. Like, don't rush into anything. Don't make any decisions right now. Like, don't be impulsive. Is basically what I try to say in this reading. And the Knight of Swords is showing up in reverse. So I think you're in that energy of slowing things down. I don't think you're being impulsive in general, but what I would say is there can be a tendency to do that, especially if something seems too good to be true. It usually is. The Queen of Pentacles is also showing up in this reading. So, this is an energy of contemplation again. There's a lot of contemplative energy around you, Leo, right now. I feel like that is your energy right now. I feel like a lot of you are taking stock of your finances, taking stock of your life in general, and what you want to do going forward. So, and this is very grounded energy. Like, the Queen of Pentacles is the card of Capricorn, and Capricorn is an earth sign. So this is very much about being grounded. This is about being in the present moment, really. So it's not so much about looking to the future. It's more about what you've got going on in your life right now. So you're really taking stock of your finances, the things that you have in your life. And one of the things that I'm getting right now is a lot of you are trying to be very resourceful with what you already have. So it's not about like if you don't have something, for example, and you want to improve it, you're not about to go and spend a bunch of money in trying to get make that happen. I feel like a lot of you are actually just trying to be more resourceful, using whatever you have to make the most of things, to maximize your opportunity. So I feel like this is a card of resourcefulness. So you're not, I don't think you're being frugal, but at the same time, I don't think you're spending unnecessarily just to make something happen. So a lot of you are being very cautious in that respect. I do want to clarify about this hanged man because this is very interesting that a lot of you have had almost a complete turnover, especially with the Ten of Swords and then the Hanged Man coming up. I feel like a lot of you have had a complete change of perspective about something. Yeah, and the lovers is coming up as a clarification. So I feel like a lot of you, Leos, you may have gone through a lot of heartache in the past. This may have been a Gemini energy, or this could have just been any air sign, or just anybody in general. Like, it doesn't have to be a Gemini. But I feel like a lot of you had heartache when it came to love, and I feel like a lot of you had this Ten of Swords moment because of this person. You felt betrayed. You felt like this person was the one, but then they didn't really end up fulfilling their side of the bargain, their side of the deal. And I feel like a lot of you are having a change of perspective because of that. So you may not be that focused on love in the month of January. You may be actually more focused on your money and your finances. And the universe is rewarding you. The Ace of Cups is coming up in this reading, and the Ace of Swords. So these are positive cards to have in a reading. So the universe is definitely showering you with blessings and good fortune, pretty much. Um, what is the one final message for Leo for the month of January? What does Leo need to know? Oh wow. Okay. I'm getting the Three of Swords as a reversal. So yeah, I feel like again this is reinforcing what I said earlier that a lot of you went through heartbreak. A lot of you went through a lot of traumatic incidents in your love life because of which you're pretty much done right now. I don't think you're entertaining anybody, from a romantic perspective. But I do feel like this Three of Swords energy is in the past because again I saw the Ten of Swords and that tens are about endings. So I feel like you're over it right now. You're not really thinking about that anymore. But whoever this person was, they did you wrong. I think they did you wrong. And you are hoping that the universe corrects it and, brings karma to their way or, brings justice in some way. But rest assured, you don't have to get involved in it. Like I said earlier, you just have to go about living your own life and focusing on your own self. So I feel like that this is your past energy. I don't think you're in the Three of Swords energy anymore. I feel like you're done with the past and you're healing and you're moving on from it and you're focusing on your future. So, Leo, that's the overall message for you for the month of January. If you like this reading, do give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, do consider subscribing to my channel. And if you'd like to book a reading with me, you can drop me a message on Facebook or email. Both the links are in the description box. And I will see you in my next video. Thanks a lot. Bye.